Imagine starting with just $100, no fancy connections, no inherited fortune, no overseas backup. Just you, your ideas, and a dream to build wealth in Africa. The truth is, with the right mindset and strategy, that $100 can become the seed of something far greater. Welcome to Wealth Scribe Library TV, where we share financial wisdom, practical strategies, and inspiring stories to help you build the future you deserve. Our channel is dedicated to helping you gain financial wisdom, practical wealth strategies, and the inspiration you need to build a secure future. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful idea: how to build wealth in Africa with just $100. Yes, you heard that right. Just $100 can be the seed that grows into your financial freedom if you know how to use it wisely. Let's break it down step by step so that it can be so easy for you to apply. The first step is mindset. Wealth is not just about money, it's about vision. If you see $100 as too small, you'll spend it and it will vanish. But if you see it as seed capital, you'll plant it where it grows. In Africa, where opportunities are often overlooked, mindset becomes the most valuable currency. Some other persons too think they need thousands of dollars to start building wealth. But wealth is less about the amount you start with, and more about the habits, decisions, and consistency you bring. That $100 is not just money, it's a seed. If planted wisely, it can open the door to entrepreneurship, investments, and financial freedom. Remember, the richest people in Africa today started with little but turned their small beginnings into empires. So, where can you start with $100 in Africa? Let's look at some realistic business ideas. One of the fastest ways to multiply your $100 is by starting a micro-business. In Africa, simple businesses like buying and selling food items, phone accessories, or offering small services can create daily cash flow. With consistency, that $100 can quickly turn into $300, then $500, then much more. The principle is simple: buy low, sell high, and reinvest your profits. Take for instance, food reselling. Buy wholesale bags of rice, beans, or groundnuts and resell in smaller quantities for profit. Agribusiness microprojects, poultry, catfish fingerlings, or vegetable farming can begin with as little as $100. The truth is, in Africa, small amounts of money can scale faster than in many other parts of the world, and so don't joke with these ideas. Here's the secret many people miss: don't eat your profit. Reinvest. If your $100 brings you $150, put at least $50 back into the business. Over time, reinvestment multiplies your wealth, turning small beginnings into lasting financial growth. Another part is disciplined saving and investing. $100 placed in the right savings groups, cooperatives, or even micro-investments in agriculture can grow easily and steadily. It may not look glamorous at first, but I want you to understand that wealth is built brick by brick. By saving consistently and reinvesting, you create momentum that compounds over time. Your $100 grows faster when you grow with others. Join local cooperatives, investment clubs, or online communities of like-minded Africans. Collaboration opens doors to bigger opportunities, sometimes even doubling or tripling your investment power. Digital services. Today, the internet is the great equalizer and a leveler. With internet bundles and your $100 with your phone or basic tool, you can start freelancing, graphic design, or even social media marketing, teaching online, or selling products on social media. Africans are already earning dollars from global platforms without leaving their country. Your phone can be your office, and the internet your marketplace. Now, what are you waiting for? Take a step now and turn your $100 into a pool of money. So, how do you build wealth in Africa with just $100? Start small but smart with a micro-business. Use digital opportunities to earn globally. Save and invest consistently. even with little. And most importantly, adopt the right wealth mindset. Remember, your $100 today is just a tool. What you do with it will decide your tomorrow. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share Wealth Scribe Library TV. Together, let's rewrite the story of wealth in Africa, one smart step at a time.